Canadian privacy protection regulators have launched an investigation into TikTok over its collection of users' data. The popular video-sharing platform owned by Chinese company ByteDance has come under scrutiny over concerns that it hands information to Beijing. The investigation was initiated in the wake of now-settled class action lawsuits in the United States and Canada, as well as numerous media reports related to TikTok's collection, use, and disclosure of personal information. The privacy regulators said that many of TikTok's users are younger, making it even more important to protect children's privacy. They will be examining whether the company is meeting its transparency obligations. TikTok said that privacy is a top priority and welcomes the investigation as an opportunity to set the record straight on how the company protects the privacy of Canadians. Canada joins other governments around the world that have been raising concerns over TikTok, including the Dutch government advising public officials to avoid the app and a ban for federal government employees already in place in the US. Despite these concerns, TikTok has previously denied that Beijing can access user data on its platform. The investigation is ongoing, and the results will determine whether TikTok is complying with Canadian privacy legislation. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.